Been that time of year, hasn't it? Ignite has been going on. Microsoft been making announcements. Wonder if there's anything exciting. What do you reckon? Alright lads and lasses, welcome along. Tokens Tuesday. Now, I feel like I'm really late to the party as far as Ignite's concerned, because obviously it was on last week. By the time you guys are watching this, well, it's pretty much a week out of date, isn't it? I guess the main things, though, that we want to go on, a couple of things. See how you feel about them, see what we've got to do, yeah? So Microsoft Ignite, I mean, obviously, annual big tech conference as far as Microsoft is concerned. They have two of them each year, right? Ignite, big one. Great to see what was actually coming in, and fantastic news about the Power BI platform as well. Two things I want to talk about today, just the two. I don't think there's much really to get on with it. Firstly, right, premium per user is coming. Right, it's been coming for a while, but they've actually now given us a price. Okay, you will have noticed when I'm doing my demos in Power BI, you might see on the top it's talking about me demo or me trial of premium per user. It's great to see it coming. It's definitely what's been needed, because the price jump up into premium, I haven't really put it on here because it's a bit difficult to do it, right? But I mean, pro subscriptions, about $10 a month. Put them in dollars because dollars is all they've given us, right? They will be a pounds version, euros if you're in Euro land or anything like that, right? But $10 gets you pro, $20 is going to get you premium, right? Premium and pro aren't going to talk to each other per se. So if you're in premium, you can access pro content. If you're pro, you can't access premium content. Any big surprises there, really, is it? I'm not sure what it's going to mean as well, actually. You've just realised saying this, like, where's it going to do for if you're going down the full capacity route, which, by the way, capacity, you're looking at, about $4,000 per month for it. So, it's a big step up for it. So having premium per user softens that blow, and then at some point you'll get to that cutover point and be like, where we're going to get on full whole hog, get the full premium. But it's definitely going to be an interesting one. We do need to see, as I say, how premium and pro are going to interact in terms of like the full premium per capacity and pro. So at the moment, obviously you need pro subscriptions to interact and manage your premium capacity. Is that going to change to premium per user or something like that? I genuinely don't know. But yeah, let's see what happens there. But positive step, $20 a month. That's a lot lower than I was expecting. I'll be honest. I was expecting it to be a little bit higher than that. And if anything, I was trying to hope that they were going to avoid going up as high as $50 a month, because I had nightmares and that was where they were going to aim at. $20, it's a no-brainer, man, right? We'll be switching the business hour, no worries. The other thing that's happening is Excel, right? Excel is getting a lot of love still, right? And I think it's important, let's look at the point of what Power BI does. Yeah. So right now, Power BI will be picking up stuff for a lot of businesses from SQL and from Excel, right? Most businesses, SQL or Excel. Like, there's going to be other database services, but database, Excel, database and Excel is kind of the way it's going to be. Yeah. Microsoft are now pushing you towards using more with the Power Platform, which is something I'm keen to do more of on the channel. We'll have a look at that as well going forward. But now they've made a divide, right, in Excel between Excel, which has analyzing Excel functionality in Power BI. So you can connect to Power BI. You can connect your Excel spreadsheet, to a Power BI data set. The data remains in the cloud, but you can then analyze it in Excel and just have to go in and refresh it. They're setting up, and in the next couple of months, they should come through the Excel Online. So if you use Excel Online in OneDrive for Business with your Power BI report pack, it'll refresh automatically. So when the Power BI is refreshed, the Excel's refreshed. You're not going to go and hit refresh on Excel, which is, little things make a big difference. One or two clicks is everything when we're talking about senior management sometimes, and if you're trying to get them to understand what's going on. So that's a huge one huge. It's great to see Excel still getting the love, definitely. So what have you reckon then, eh? I mean, it's a busy Ignite session, a couple of days online, sitting staring at the laptop, trying to interact with people, getting me downloading of me virtual backpack. Got any swag, which is kind of annoying, apart from this wallpaper. Not quite the same, is it, as coming home with like t-shirts and mugs and all this. Hopefully we'll be able to see each other again soon. But for now, I just want to do a quick video on MS Ignite. Take care of yourselves, right? And don't forget, come back on Friday. Right? We'll give you some work for the weekend. Cheers. Ta-da.